This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Varga. Adorable 3-story townhome in the heart of Ghent in Norfolk. With a 3-level 3.5-bath home. It uniquely features a state-of-the-art kitchen, with stainless steel appliances, frig, stove and dishwasher, and laundry room area off the kitchen with washer and dryer and storage space. Downstairs also features a sunken living room with fireplace, dining room area, den and wet bar. Second floor features the master bath with full bath, balcony, a separate good-sized bedroom with hall bath, and third floor bedroom and bonus room, office with balcony, backyard area fenced with patio area, and a 1-car garage too. Tennis court, in-ground pool in season, and playground included with the rent. Move in ready February.